If you're in a hurry and just want to save the phrase and configure it later, you can simply highlight the desired phrase and copy the phrase into the clipboard. If you have multiple phrases, just repeat. And again, I highlight the phrase and copy to the clipboard. Then open the main program window with a right click and select Open Program Window and navigate to the clipboard cache. And here you have all your phrases, which you just copied to the clipboard. You can then drag and drop them into your phrase library for permanent storage. If the clipboard cache should not be available in your installation, open File, click Settings and navigate to Features. Make sure that this is checked.